Hi everyone, another round of field testing here with the Brother Hobby Speed Shield 2207.5 3400 kV motor. Decided to put my big boy pants on here and put it in probably the fastest airplane in my hangar today, just to really have some fun. Today running the Gemfan Hurricane 51499 3-blade prop, and still on 3S. So here we go, let's get some rippage going. Oh yeah. So I'm really liking this Gemfan Hurricane 51499 prop. You know, it's kind of only I've only run two 3-blade 5-inch 3-blade props in my planes thus far. Let's just rip her right out here. Man, that's nice. So one thing about this motor is it doesn't, I've said it I think in previous test videos, it just doesn't seem to really bog down as much. You know, it continues to just wind out and perform, you know, right right through the whole throttle range. Oh yeah, baby. there's some rippage. So I'm just gonna set the throttle at 60% here. You know, even at 60% it motors along. That's one thing I like about this this prop, is sort of between 60 to 75% throttle. It's got really really good speed and carries the speed well. You know, even compared to some of the 2-blade props that I've run. I do have a considerable number of more 5-inch 3-blade props coming to test on, you know, on this motor and others. But you know, this one's my favorite so far. Other than the fact that I only have 4 of them and they're all in purple. But hopefully I'll be getting some newer ones. I ordered them in clear actually, which should be kind of cool. Oh yeah. Sorry, can't help myself. Speed is life. Yeah, this little beauty, this RC Powers SU30 version 4, boys, she's been through the war. Been through the wars. I think I'm over 450 flights on it now. But gosh, it just flies so well. And it doesn't mind the speed. Put a little speedier motor in it. Okay, let's see. We'll get one more. Try and get one more pass in here. Ah, there we go. Okay, shut off that annoying alarm. I don't know if you can see it, but right down here, sort of off my finger, there's a green-haired mallard duck, and he's been sitting there since, like, almost for an hour since I got here. And I don't know if he and Mrs. Duck are shopping. It's hard to see her, but she's been walking along sort of the tree line here. There's no water or anything over there, so I don't know if they're looking for a nest site or what. But actually right now he's got his head tucked back and looking like he's having a little snooze, waiting for the missus. Oh, there he goes. He just woke up. Yeah, so I don't know if she's house shopping and he's just chilling or what. But anyway, it's cool. Lots of neat wildlife out here. Anyway, let's check this thing out here while I'm jabbering away about the neighbors here. So yeah, that's a bit warm, and we're about 8 Celsius here right now. See how this speed controller. Yeah, pretty good. So I have over time now. I've just to take it easier on my batteries. As I mentioned a few times, I mean, obviously I didn't buy this thing for fuel, this motor for fuel efficiency or any fuel economy or anything like that. But because it has, you know, close to 50% more amp draw, even at half throttle compared to like the Gep RC, I now have my timer set at about 4 minutes, I think. So my flight times are, you know, 3:45 to 4 minutes, which is about a minute less than 45 seconds to a minute less than what I normally get out of a Gep RC flight, and that's just to sort of keep my batteries from dropping below 3.7 volts per cell. You know, I mean, they can handle. Obviously they're delivering the amps, and they're not heating up or anything, but they are. You know, it's because it just is so amp hungry. It just really drains the tank a lot faster. So yeah, that's an awesome combo. Still, you know, still contemplating whether I'm going to try this thing on 4S with a 6x3 two-blade prop. It's getting a little bit toasty for my liking, so I just don't want to. I just don't want to cook it. But I'm going to have a look at it and see. I don't know. The windings might be getting a little bit darker. I mean, they're not black or anything, but so yeah. But anyway, what the heck, eh? I mean, it's faster than the speed of heat, just even with this prop. So there we go. So thanks very much for watching. The ducks and me will continue just hanging out here and enjoying a beautiful day. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise. Hear the sound of freedom, baby. Take care.